now that even Leclerc has gotten a podium, I'm sure it can get a lot more demotivating for somebody like Lewis, who's a champion.
Yeah.
He brake tested Max just so that Max would overtake him and he would get an extra penalty point.
If this would have been Max on the opposite side,
Yeah.
if he'd break some, it would have become like a big thing. ये काफी unfair है. It's too unfair.
Because the only thing I liked about the race was that crash and there was nothing else that
Verstappen
happened.
came second.
So-
He's your one of your favorite drivers.
You think Toto's gonna sign George after the win he just had? Because Toto hasn't signed George yet.
Confidence, a little bit of anxiety, and he was getting so close to Piastri that for some moments he thought, "Ki yaar, I can. Maybe let's give it a try."
Kimi to a Ferrari would be sick, huh?
And
You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Hello, guys. Welcome back. We are back with yet another podcast because we just finished with.
Canadian GP.
Yeah! Wow, मेरी अंगूठी उतर गई इतनी excited हूँ मैं आज because I mean first things first.
What are you excited about, honestly?
First things first. मैं
ठीक है,
वही बोल रही
ठीक
हूँ. रेस तो एक्साइटिंग था नहीं तो मैं अपने आप से ही I'm just bringing this energy by myself
great.
because there was
Absolutely
nothing much,
yeah.
and that is why. See, that's why Lando took it upon himself to make the race interesting.
You just want to back your sweet boy. That is it.
Which sweet boy are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. But what I mean is, to be very honest, within the first 10 minutes of the race, I was like, ये क्या हो रहा है और ये यही होने वाला है क्या? Because there was nothing happening.
Yeah.
And then the only thing you could focus on was pit strategy and कब कौन pit करता है. But वो हर race में होता है. There was not a lot.
I just think the initial start, right, when Kimi got that upper hand, when he got himself from the top three, I was like, wow.
I really
That start
thought
was
Oscar
great.
would get it back, man.
Yeah, I also thought that Oscar will take it back. I didn't see Lando coming anywhere close to Oscar.
Oye,
From
come
where he
on.
started, I thought he
I
nahi
just
ho
started,
yeah.
हाँ, but
But the way he then got into the race and the
Yeah.
engineer was like, yeah, this is your moment, ये करना है, you gotta give it your all. I think that's where
But नहीं हो पाया.
McLaren picked up.
Yeah.
But yeah,
I think
over and-
Lando lost patience in that last thing, na. In the thing, I think because he was going on for so long and आके निकल गया. I just feel that there was a
I think he was
lack
having a
of
great
patience.
day.
Yeah.
And with the engineer pumping him up that, okay, this is going to be, you have to give it your all. And he was also in a few laps giving his best.
Yeah,
which
he
was his fastest
did
laps.
overtake. Yeah.
So I think because of that, the confidence, a little bit of anxiety, and he was getting so close to Piastri that for some moments he thought, Ki yaar, I can. Maybe let's give it a try. Hindsight, now he's saying that, maybe I shouldn't have. But I just
Yeah.
feel that.
But it's
yeah,
okay. I mean,
like-
see, I just feel it was really big of him to like. I was expecting him to go like, what the fuck, this
Yeah,
and that.
yeah.
But the first thing that all my fault. I'm really sorry. I don't think any other driver in his position
would have said that.
would have said that.
I think this is why, or this has been McLaren's, secret sauce this year, that it may not feel from an outside like a team that's playing. Everyone's like, oh, World
Oscar,
Championship and Oscar Piastri, Lando Norris. But I think somewhere down the line, the two of them understand, even though we are fighting for the
It's
World
still a
Drivers'
team.
Championship, it's still a team.
Yeah.
So I think that's been their secret this year.
And okay, Lando वाला ठीक है हो गया. But Oscar I am not a hardcore Oscar fan as such. Like, you know what I mean? But I'm just thinking about Oscar के fans. Like they would be dying for one radio message from that man because like so much happened. He got Lando is behind him. This is happening. He got overtaken by fucking Kimi. So much happened.
Doesn't speak
Death
over.
silence on the radio. Like there is nothing happening on the radio. I'm just thinking if I was an Oscar fan, I would be losing my head. I was like,
Yeah.
why is this guy not
Not
saying
talking.
anything?
Yeah.
Like even after he said that in an interview, he was like, yeah, I knew, for me, it didn't change anything because I just felt a little touch. So I was fine. And I was like, go on, King. Give us nothing. Give us nothing.
I think it's become a world na ki like Max will say something controversial, so the media gets to him, and at some point you have George Russell saying something, so media gets to him, and now even Lewis may say something where they'll get some piece of information at least, to try and pinpoint Ferrari.
Yeah.
But with McLaren, I think all this while it's only been Lando in terms of the things that
I don't
comes
think
out
that's
from him.
Oscar's strategy. कि,
It's,
oh,
it's
मैं
not a
बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ.
strategy.
I think he's just that
yeah,
person.
he's
He's
just
like,
that person.
नहीं करनी.
So I
That's
think,
it.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm okay.
Yeah.
I'm chill. It's fine. Even when he's fighting somebody on the track, everyone's like, he's like, meh. It's like I am dying for a day.
Have
when
you
Oscar
have you
will
watched
be-
that movie Cars?
Yeah,
There's this very interesting scene that I saw from there. Let me show it to you.
show me.
It's a very nice one where there are these cars overtaking, and the scene is supposed to give reference to Lando to try and see what he was trying to do.
Okay.
The overtake.
Yeah.
Bro, I can watch it a million times and I'll be like,
The
hey,
amount
only if
of-
it happened. Only if it happened.
Have you heard of that saying by Ayrton Senna that if you don't go for a gap that exists, that you're not a racing driver?
I've not heard, but wow.
There's a beautiful quote by Senna. So the amount of memes I've seen today that go with, if you go for a gap that doesn't exist, then you're stupid. It's crazy.
Yeah, when you said stupid, I was like,
Lando's really getting trolled, but to be very honest,
I think he also
poor
said it to
guy
himself
gets
on the
trolled
radio.
every time, man. Poor
Yeah.
guy just like he there is no right way. Like when he was not winning, people were hating on him. When he's winning, people are hating on him. When he's not saying anything, people are hating on him. When he's saying something, people are hating on him. Like, bhai, चाहते क्या हो तुम? So it makes sense for him. Like he had said recently also in an interview that I've like almost reduced my social media usage to like 2. This is what you guys do. The people who are active, you bully them so much that they stop using social media. Now he doesn't look at my stories. It's not fair.
I think you should make one specifically for him. Thoda sa cute and thoda sa nice.
I've literally added him on my close friends. That's how delulu I am. That one day, if he thinks that
You
this
can
girl,
add someone on your close friends who doesn't follow you.
yeah,
Really?
yeah, the amount of weird
For
people
what
on my
is that?
close friends is crazy.
Why would you do that? Why would you add someone on your close friends who doesn't follow you?
You know the amount of that guy. Okay, I'm gonna what do you call it? Parda fash.
Spill some beans.
Yeah, I'm gonna spill my own beans. The people on my close friends, I'll tell you. Okay, Lando Norris, Alexander Zverev.
Alex?
Alexander Zverev, he's a tennis player. He used to watch my stories a lot. That's why I was like, you know what? Just come on my close friends so that you can see if I'm posting something fun. Because I don't post fun things on my main.
Okay.
Yeah. So I was like, well, you know what? And then one day I posted something and he actually saw it. And I was like, why is he looking at a photo of my cat? Cat. I actually have a cat. That's the photo I was posting, nothing else. But yeah.
I would have said something.
I
but
know.
okay.
That's why I specified.
Specified,
It was
yeah.
a cat. It was my male cat.
Yeah. The
But
picture of which is on Instagram
yes.
for reference.
Yes, for reference. You can go check it out. There's a whole highlight called Zorro. That's the name of my cat. But yeah, like, yeah, that's pretty much my thing.
Just two of them.
Just to name right now.
There are a few others, but not in the sports field, I'm assuming.
I mean, there are a few others in the sports field as well, but let's not go there.
What are they getting out of your content? Thirst
You have
trap
to ask
content?
them. No, I'm not posting like sexy shit for them.
I don't know. Maybe like separately you'll be just like
No, I just
remove
post
all
a
your
lot of-
other close friends someday. Just keep the two of these and be like,
Dude, I've actually
guys.
Dude, you know what? I've actually done that with a. I don't think this is a my life.
I
podcast,
don't
so I
no,
think
but I
should
don't
shut up.
understand. Just
Yeah,
just a
go on.
question. How does it pop on their thing? Will it ever pop?
No,
on?
it doesn't. It doesn't pop on their thing, but it's just that sometimes if you're.
You'll have to send it to them.
If you've tagged them.
I put it on my close story and I'm sending it to you on personal message or tagging them. Maybe then.
Yeah, but you do know, right? That race people, that these drivers. So many times I've had a driver looking at my story who wasn't even tagged. Like there was this one time Ollie Behrman saw like 15 of my stories, one after the other. For what? I will never know. He was not even tagged.
You're just reading.
Yeah, so sometimes what happens now when you comment and say, sometimes you're like, just how are we doing?
Yeah.
They are
Just-
also
just
human
going through,
being.
like,
Yeah,
yeah, understood.
they'll just see someone. There's a comment. Who's this girl?
नहीं
Who's
but
this
ये
girl?
close friends वाला चक्कर कुछ अलग है.
I don't like. I'll let you know if it's ever worked for me, but it's not worked till now. And then I removed him. I was like, yeah. Actually, is he still there? Wait, let me see. Like now, though he doesn't invite only. Yeah. Now, though I don't post also about him anymore.
He
And-
doesn't invite.
Like I mean, like now he doesn't show up anymore.
I think
Pehle
he's
he used to
bored.
show
I
up
think
every
he's just
now and
blocked
then.
you. He's like, how dare you put me on your close story?
No, dude, you're not on my close story. You're just jealous. Wait, let me just post a close story and see who all I have in my close story. Right
I'm
now.
on your close story.
Are you?
Yeah.
Shit, I'll remove you right now. She's a bitch. Okay, okay, so. Oh, I removed him. I removed
Oh, Lando.
And I removed Alexander Zverev and I removed everyone else. So yeah.
Shit, I'm feeling bad for you guys. Whoever, actually, I'm happy for you guys. Whoever on the
I want to
close
smack
story.
your face right now, dude. Rude.
Oh, I'm just kidding.
I know, I
Should we get back to the Papaya Army?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, इतना boring नहीं सर यार talk about my life.
I think people will be like, Didi, what are you doing? Why
दीदी,
talk
what are you
about your
doing,
life?"
दीदी? दीदी मुंह मत बनाओ. I'm sorry. मेरी शक्ल ही ऐसी है. See,
That's a
okay.
good one.
Like literally, like if I don't smile, I look like a resting
No, but I
bitch.
think actors have it in them, right? They are in. You go for a lot of classes, and there
No,
are
I just have a
expressions
resting
and
bitch
stuff that you
face.
got to do. And
I've never gone for an acting class, just by the way.
Ooh.
Yeah, I just life taught me how to act.
Woo.
But yeah, like if I don't smile, I have a resting bitch face where I'll show you. Like normally you always see me like this, right? It's a little like,
No, I've seen the resting bitch only.
yeah, you deserve that. Whatever. So normally it's like this, okay? Okay, now I can't-
Show them, show them.
I am. Okay. You always see me like this, right? No, you can say no, I won't kill you, I promise. Okay. So now if I don't smile, I'll be like,
Show me.
dude, doesn't it look like I'm gonna fucking smack your face?
You look like a Diane. Little scary. Shruti, do you agree with me? अब तो तू देख ले.
Excuse me?
तू देख ले, अब तू देख बार. Just show him the face.
Looking scary and looking like a Diana are two different things. What the fuck are you on about?
Just.
Okay, this is my normal face, how you met me, okay? And now if I stop smiling, I look like a resting bitch. Okay, wait.
Or she looks like a Diane. Confused हो गया यार.
मैं वैसे नहीं लग रही कि मैं मारने आ रही हूँ तुझे. It's just that I'm not smiling. It's like same thing. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you guys.
नहीं नहीं. We are good. We are good.
This is how I am. Okay, this is how you'll always see me. Okay, and then you just be like, it's like I can actually kill you through the screen. But I won't because I don't want to. But that's how it looks. But yeah, moving on.
I want to give you guys one punchline. At
So
least this should
bad.
go in the trailer.
Yeah.
The fact that it was a boring race. Himika ji is wearing a Ferrari jacket today. Can you guys believe it? Been throwing shade on our man Hamilton, on our team, that they're not doing anything. And
I'll tell you
finally
why I'm wearing-
lands up here in a Ferrari jacket that's actually looking very good. Whoever's given that to you guys,
Elite
shout out to
attire.
you guys.
Elite attire. Shout
Elite attire,
out.
shout out. Okay.
Yeah.
Irrespective, but Red Bull fan wearing a Ferrari jacket today.
I'll tell you why I'm
Grounded.
wearing. I'll tell you why I'm wearing it. I have a reason for it. You know, I knew you were gonna make this a thing. I am wearing this in solidarity with Charles Leclerc. As to why.
Guys, get my
Because
headphones.
of-
Get my headphones,
Because
someone.
of why? Because of. Wait, I'm gonna say it again. I am wearing this in solidarity with Charles Leclerc because of how badly his team treats him. And I literally, they're like, okay, guys, what is the plan? Oh, yeah, we are going for plan B. Confirm. No, I think plan C makes sense. Okay, copy. Cut to boxed. Why are we boxing, guys? We have gone for plan B. And he's like, the fuck? Dude, why?
You wanted the mediums, I think. He didn't want the hards.
He wanted the mediums. No, firstly,
He didn't want
he didn't
to
want to
yeah.
box that soon because
Yeah.
he was very happy with the tires.
Yeah.
Now, then they got then Red Bull pitted. And
Yeah.
because of that, I think half of the thing pitted. And Ferrari, I don't know for what reason, they're like, hum bhi pit karne chale jate hain. So had Charles, because he was one of the only people who was liking like who was happy with his tires, he could have at least gone for like say 10 more laps, and then even after that he went for hards again, right? And they gave him another hard, and he
Yeah,
was like,
which
why are
he-
you giving me a hard? He's like, no, because we want a 3-stop. And then he's like, I'm feeling better in the medium, just give me the medium. They're like, no. Like, हद होती है एक होती है, this is हद, and this is where Ferrari is.
That brings me to a very interesting thing that I was reading about Ferrari and about, I think about Lewis Hamilton. You know what he says? This for actually everyone, right? Hamilton said a lot of things are happening behind the scenes in Ferrari, and I want to influence them. He said updates. Okay, so he was basically asked about any updates for Ferrari 2025, whatever. And he said, I don't know why we didn't bring them honestly. I think one will arrive very soon, at least I hope. The mentality at the moment is that there will be many updates to bring into the system. Updates. There are so many things happening in the background.
What updates
there
are
are
they
so many
bringing?
there are so many things I would like to tell you to explain, but I can't unbutton myself too much. He stressed that while the team faces obstacles, his priority is to help build lasting progress beyond 25. The things that happened this year, the problems we had, what is happening within the organization. But my goal is to try to positively influence these changes so that they can be long term success, because there are so many necessary changes. I think he was speaking his heart out.
So what kind of Squid Game is he playing? Like, what are these secretive messages? What's
I mean,
because Fred
see-
Vasseur also said something very similar on Saturday.
His last line was, I want to guarantee that next year's car is much better from the first race.
I mean, that is him guaranteeing himself more than us. Like, I think वो बस अपना मन बहला रहा है.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है, but I also feel that next year it will be built on Lewis Hamilton's system.
It should be. A lot of people are talking about it that now you should make the car based on
Start.
thing. But you know what? Even Vasseur said something very similar on Saturday or Friday, saying you have changed the team principles, you've changed the engines, you've changed the drivers. If there is no change happening in the team, it has to be something else. So now, like, if I link that with what Lewis
No,
is
so
talking
what he's saying?
about.
He's saying that you've changed.
No, I think that was his subtle dig at the higher ups at Ferrari, which
okay.
are making all the decisions and
okay.
stuff. Because you're like, तुमने team principle change कर दिया. You've changed drivers, you've changed cars, you've making upgrades. Like, if then also nothing is working, there has to be some change that has to be made a little
Somewhere else.
higher up. That he couldn't have spoken because next race then we wouldn't see him. But I think I know, like, and now when
So you're basically saying that something else is going
yeah,
on
like
within
now
the
that when I link that with
system,
this,
हाँ.
that makes a lot more sense because there is definitely some turmoil happening
Yeah.
inside Ferrari.
Yeah. Because
which
you don't
also-
normally see Lewis say things like this, where he's saying like, I can't unbutton
But
myself.
also
Lot of
you
things
also
going on in the
normally
team.
don't see Lewis being like struggling this much into a season.
I mean, yeah, we're seeing him only after
नहीं,
such a long time in a new team. For the
I
first time.
नहीं,
So
but
I mean,
I understand that. But even when Mercedes after 2021, Mercedes ka performance dropped a lot.
Hmm.
Even then, Lewis was not saying that because he was still around close. You have not like I don't remember seeing Lewis struggle this much in a
Yeah.
team
Yeah,
ever.
yeah.
So.
Yeah,
Like, it
the-
is not Lewis's
the
fault. Don't get
problem
me
is to
wrong.
see
I am
him
Ferrari today. So
About 20-25 seconds, The problem is to see him so behind that he's losing about 20-25
Yeah,
seconds.
like, he's
In
just-
that, there is one team that can finish the pit stop altogether and still come ahead of him.
yeah, he's just unlucky. Like he's just getting unlucky with a lot of things. Like now that even Leclerc has a podium,
Yeah.
it's just I'm sure.
He also had one sprint. Come on, yeah.
Yeah,
मतलब
bro, let's be
sprint,
like,
yeah.
अब हम
just
अब हम
just
actually
please,
देख अब हम
please,
actually
please,
बात
please,
कर रहे
you're
हैं
wearing one, fam.
अरे but
just
अरे
keep
but
it,
that's
just
not
keep it there.
factual.
It's not,
I'm
how can
saying
you say it's not
no,
factual?
no.
It's a fact.
A sprint podium is not a podium.
ठीक है, but we
He
can
got
just
a
say that in
sprint pole.
25. ठीक है, चल.
Yeah,
I'll leave it
I
at
just
that.
feel that he's had better. Like it's, I see him as a much better driver. That
He
I
is.
will not count his sprint race as a win.
But a podium is a podium in the sprint altogether. I'm not saying anything else.
Who are the other people who won sprints this year? Bata.
एक ही तो हुआ sprint.
नहीं.
How many sprints we did?
How many sprints have I? 2, I think.
Which two? एक ही हुआ जो लुइस हैमिल्टन ने जीता है. एक ही हुआ है जो लुइस हैमिल्टन ने जीता है.
हाँ मैंने सुन लिया था.
नहीं, I was far, no, so I just came closer. एक ही हुआ है, guys, which has been won by Lewis Hamilton. Just getting more closer.
Wait यार इसे पता नहीं चल रहा.
नहीं यार, it's not there. Trust me, or at least one thing that you can trust me, यार.
I think there's been 2 यार.
No. Who won the second one?
Because एक तो one was a sprint when that and the other sprint was when I was not here, when I was in Bali. 2 sprint weekends this far, Chinese and Miami. Told you, don't fuck with the daddy.
I missed the Miami one.
But yeah,
But who won the Miami?
exactly my point. Nobody gives a fuck about sprint polls. That is why I asked you this question to start with.
Chalo, interesting.
So
point.
yeah,
Gotta
so,
give it to her.
So having said that, I mean, now that even Leclerc has gotten a podium, I'm sure it can get a lot more demotivating for somebody like Lewis, who's a champion.
Yeah.
So for him to come out and say these things, I won't find it alien. I will find it very, very chill for him to do that.
Yeah, I'm also
and now
like-
with the turmoil that's happening in Ferrari, I mean, it makes sense because honestly, like recently, I heard rumors about even Charles leaving Ferrari in 2026 because of how it's going. And sorry, Ferrari fans, but I really want to see Charles do a bit better in life. So I won't be surprised if he did, and I would actually want to see where he goes. It'd be a fun one.
Yeah, even though he has been their boy, like we normally say, but with Lewis Hamilton coming in, obviously things will change. The
I don't think
dynamics
it's
will
a
change.
Lewis thing.
No,
as
I'm just
much.
saying. See, there are now two things to look at Ferrari. One is obviously Lewis has come there, so there is that figure, 7-time world champion who's sitting with you by your side. That is one thing to look at. And second thing is the team is not doing well any which ways. So I'm sure those are the two aspects which will give you a little confidence to think and say like, okay,
Yeah.
I don't want to be a second driver. Maybe if I go to another team, I'll be the first driver there because
Yeah.
he's got the capabilities.
But what team is looking for a first driver right now?
So many. But the below down the grid. That's the only problem. Mercedes, no. McLaren, no.
But if
Red Bull,
Charles-
if a Max Verstappen moves from there, you never know.
Goes where?
I don't know. Depends. He goes to Aston Martin
Mercedes.
because of. ठीक है. But are you saying they'll give away?
Like I am saying, I'm
George.
just thinking, कि अगर if Charles leaves, the kind of domino effect that can happen, if Charles leaves, the kind of domino effect that is gonna happen on the grid is going to be crazy. Like think about it. Charles leaves, where does he go? Red Bull?
Never know.
I don't think Horner thinks of Charles as a Red Bull guy. Charles goes where? Mercedes? Ferrari? No, sorry. Red Bull, Mercedes. McLaren has no space. Then who comes to Ferrari then? Is it Max Verstappen? Is it...
Probably an F2 driver.
No. Ferrari is not a... Is it Sainz who comes back to Ferrari?
Can be. But he will not, yeah. Sainz won't come as a number 2
Number 2 to who?
to Lewis Hamilton.
Sainz came as a number 2 to Charles and he fucking threw Charles flat on his face.
Now I don't know, but after leaving...
Honestly, yeah, Sainz is very built into, like, very ingrained into, like, building Williams right now. So maybe not
Yeah.
Sainz. But then who comes in? Like, what the hell? Guys, who do you think comes in Ferrari if Lewis... Okay, guys, who do you think comes into the second Ferrari seat if Charles leaves Ferrari? Or where does Charles go? Like that, I think, please let us know. What do you think? Like, I have no idea where does Charles go. Like, I don't see a place for him. Like, not in that term, oh, Charles is a bad driver. No, like, I don't
only
see
an
a place
Aston
for
Martin,
him.
depending on how they perform next year.
मुश्किल है यार.
And
Aston has money now, bro. Aston is gonna go for the big guns. Aston is trying to go for Russell. Aston is trying to go for Max. Do you really think Aston will go for...
no, so I'm just saying, in case Max goes to a Mercedes, you're saying Russell will go to an Aston. Is that what you're saying?
Aston is trying to poach Russell, is all I'm saying.
Even if they do, I think if you compare two drivers, Russell and Charles, it's going to be a tough one.
Charles goes to Mercedes, Russell goes to Aston. Then Max goes where?
Charles going to Mercedes, I don't know. I can't see
If
him in another
Mercedes
suit.
end up being in a better, like, but यार, if he's किसी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो रही है बेचारे की यार यहाँ पे. Like, honestly, like, I feel bad for him. I'm not even a Charles Leclerc fan, but I do feel bad for
Today
him.
you're a
Like,
Ferrari fan. Today you have to call yourself as a Charles fan, as a
okay,
Hamilton
I'm gonna
fan.
lie and be like, oh, Charles.
Hamilton. Say
yeah.
something for him also.
अरे what?
The
you-
fact that
you're
you're
like
wearing
his
it,
बीवी यार.
अरे
What
the
the
fact
hell?
that you're wearing it, कुछ तो अच्छा बोलना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, dude, Hamilton, honestly, I respect him as a driver. I don't know what you're getting at.
that you're like Hamilton. Arey, dude, Hamilton. Honestly, I'm like,
I mean, वो
the good
topic भी
words are
नहीं
not
था
coming
यार.
out only.
वो topic ही नहीं है. अच्छा, but ठीक है. That is besides the point. Okay, let's. You wanna address some rumors?
Sala, you moved on from there. You're not
Yeah.
gonna say anything.
You only say na I stay in a point for too long. So let's move on.
ठीक है.
You wanna address some rumors that I've heard going around, and what do you think?
I want to listen to them.
No, just like let's just say like
हाँ,
because
ठीक
these
है.
are all rumors.
Give it-
Okay.
give it to us.
Firstly is George to Aston that we just discussed. Yes, no,
George
maybe.
to Aston. It all depends on
Do you think
how
Toto's
Aston
gonna
Martin-
sign George after the win he just had? Because Toto hasn't signed George yet. इसका रील बना सकते हैं by the way ये अभी hot topic है.
I'm not sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Because if you look at it,
I think give him more two races.
but if you look at him, even without the win, he's been extremely consistent this year. With podiums, one or two races off the podiums, but then podiums in all of them. He's just been there. He's just there. Why do you think he's not signing Russell? What's
Because
going
you
on?
only mentioned na, ki they wanted Max. So I don't think a Kimi Antonelli now will go anywhere.
No, Kimi's not
It
going to
either
go anywhere.
has to, if Max has to come to Merc, then Russell has to go. Kimi will be there at the second
So you
driver.
are saying that.
I'm just waiting to see what happens mid-season.
So you're saying Toto is still hopeful that Max is going to come in.
Maybe. I think that. If there is no indication that Max is coming to Merc and Max says he's going to Aston or someplace else, then there's a chance that he'll close the deal with the Russell and say,
See,
"Bro,
Max to Aston
stay
तो अब तो मैंने बहुत टाइम से नहीं सुना, so I doubt Max to Aston is happening now.
bro, Adrian is there, bro. So, yeah, Adrian is there, so you can't see anything.
I know, but Aston threw money at Max's face, and Max was like,
Because he was like, I've been at Red Bull, they'll be a good car and this and that. But you know how his dad is, Max's dad. Definitely if Adrian, says that, okay, I've looked at things and we've gotten more money and making it a faster car. Because next season, it's like every car is going to be almost the same. And then it's on the driver.
you're going to start from scratch, yeah.
Yeah, so if
So
Aston
if
can
that is
get
the
the deal
thing, then
done,
don't you think it's better for him to go to Aston, because then
It
you're,
is.
you're getting $100 million or $50 million or whatever X amount of money that you're
Honestly,
getting.
I would
and
like
on
to
top of
see-
that, you also get to work with Nui.
I would like to see that car, that color, that finish in front. I just want to see
Aston
that. I
finish
just want
in
to see
front.
that Aston finish.
Dude,
in front.
I really hope that happens, because then I would also get to see Alonso do a little better. Like, I feel bad for him also. Where did he finish yesterday?
Alonso won't be there if Max comes.
Why? Lance is not going to be there anymore. Lance is out.
I don't think so. His dad will allow that.
You really
With
think
that partnership.
you
I
really-
think there would
Nahi,
be
I
some
think-
deal which says the son has to be there.
Nahi, I think now even Lawrence has
At
realized.
least they'll give them one season.
At least
next year.
I personally would want to believe
You
more
would
than
want to
believe.
say, I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why next season looks probable. Because the cars are the same.
For what? Probable for what?
For Lance to stay one more season.
I
Because now it'll
dude,
be like,
now
you can
it's
perform in show.
now it's become like public information that Lance is just not into it. Like, he's just not that into you. If that was thing, and Lance was the hero and the Red Bull car and the Aston Martin car was the heroine. That's
Yeah.
the movie. He's just not that into you.
Yeah.
Like,
I saw a complete breakdown of his hand and how
yeah,
he
I
was-
mean, वो सब तो ठीक है, but I just feel like now I feel Lawrence if he's investing so much money in getting people like Newey and all the time, so I think he is looking to win. He's not looking at midfield finishes anymore. He wants to win. He wants to, like, he's gotten really cool people. I think he has poached a lot of people. He is looking for the best options available. And if you're talking about the best options available, sadly your son doesn't stand a chance in that line.
Fair,
And
which is fair.
especially if he's being weighed against somebody from the likes of Alonso and somebody of the likes of Max Verstappen, it's a easy deal, even if the father is making the decision, because at the end of the day Lawrence is putting all his money. He doesn't want it to go like burn every year, and Lance has gotten a long time to prove himself.
I don't know, man. I think I've heard this every year since the time they've been in business, since the time Stroll's
But
been in
2026
business.
is new regulations, man.
I don't know.
Like, मुझे बस इतना लगता है अगर मैक्स कल हाँ बोल दे, लॉरेंस भी नहीं रुकेगा, बोलेगा नहीं नहीं मेरे बेटे को दे दो, वो बोलेगा निकल यहाँ से, मैक्स आ रहा है. बिकॉज एट द एंड ऑफ द डे इट्स बिजनेस. पीपल वांट टू विन एंड पीपल वांट टू गेट दैट थिक अमाउंट ऑफ मनी दैट दे आर गेटिंग आफ्टर विनिंग. and if there's a driver who you know might not be here for too long, is ready to come to your team, would you not let that happen?
I would, but I'm just saying with specifically only with Lance Stroll.
I
It's
know,
a
I know,
it's
I
a
know what you
different
mean.
ballgame. I just
No,
feel
but
that.
I think that privilege has overstayed its welcome now, I feel.
I think last even before the
3
last
years,
two
yeah.
3 years,
But
it
I think
is
now, I think even Lawrence is real. Like, I would like to believe that Lawrence is also realizing it because, like, no, if like I feel if you're getting somebody like a Nui, Nui will also have his 2 cents to say about a driver, what they think, because he is also designing a car based on a driver. Now, if you tell somebody like Nui to design a car based on how Lance drives, Nui will be like, "मुझे नहीं करना ये बकचोदी."
or there's another side to it. You bring in someone like Nui and you tell him, train my son in the way
Nui
how
is
he
not a
should.
driver
He's
trainer.
not, but he's worked with the likes of Verstappen. He's worked
No,
with
no, that doesn't
Hamilton,
work.
so he knows what is in their head. You know what I'm
Nui is
saying?
a different. When did he work with Hamilton?
He had something at McLaren or something before. I think he wants to work with Hamilton, or he wants to come back. I
He
think.
wants to work with Hamilton. I don't
Let
think
me
he's
just
worked
check.
with Hamilton because that happened when Nui सबको कह रहा था कि Nui Ferrari आ रहा है. That's when they were like Nui will get to work with Hamilton. But
I
Nui
thought he
hasn't
did
worked
work
with
in
Hamilton.
his initial years
No,
with Lewis.
I doubt that. I'll have to check. Braun में था क्या वो पता नहीं. Check.
ठीक है. Should we move to? We spoke about McLaren, Mercedes, or obviously we got to speak about Kimi, dude. One of the best, I think, drives. From the time he got into the top 3, consistent. He also stuck in, and I think he's as similar as Piastri, like you said. Doesn't like talk much. Completely
And kudos
listens.
to the team also for doing those pit stops and
Strategies,
not ruin
yeah.
anything strategy wise, keeping him at P3 and not letting it go. Him also trying to like, he tried like,
Defending well.
yeah, he defended like, it didn't come to that, but the whole race, he didn't have a chill race. The whole time he had to keep looking,
Someone on his back.
yeah, he had to keep looking against his shoulder, but somehow
Yeah.
people behind him crashed and he did it.
I was
So-
very happy, in fact, to see Toto smile finally. Like, I have a soft spot for Toto. I think everyone knows that. But yeah, like with the team principle, Addies, come on, dude. You have to feel for him after being
मैंने तो
after
कुछ
being
बोला
a
ही नहीं
champion,
यार.
after being a champion team principal.
Oh,
He finally got his time, man. I think he deserves that win. And the fact that he was trusting Kimi so much, कि यार बंदा कुछ करेगा.
साइन करा है उसने, अब तो ट्रस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा ना.
Yeah, but for that entire thing, when it's when your plan gets over the line after you even signed someone,
It
I
just
think
feels
that
right to
moment,
feel like you made the right
feels- you
decision.
made the
Yeah,
right
I
decision.
know what you mean.
I just think
Fair.
that was a takeaway moment for him. And
I
now if
agree.
even they keep winning and Hamilton keeps maybe not doing that well, I'd still be okay with it. I think. It's good
Oh,
to see. It's
so
good
now
to
you're
see
changing
more.
teams.
Not changing team. I was never a Ferrari fan. I'm a Hamilton fan. So I would love.
Fair.
You can tell by what he's saying, Hamilton, that in 2026 we'll be great. So you can tell with 2025 they're just going to adjust and let things pass how it is. I don't think so. They
Dekhte.
may be able to get back on where they were, but they will try. But with Mercedes being on top already, and now Kimi entering the top 3, I think it's going to be interesting. At least I don't want.
I mean,
Red Bull
see,
to-
we will see Kimi be on the podium in the near future, like way often. But I just like right now का मुझे नहीं पता, because I feel Mercedes in general also was a good car this weekend. Like, I'm not okay, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying कि गाड़ी की वजह से जीते हैं, but I'm just saying they were a good car. Like, even like for Kimi having 3 DNFs in the last 3 races to being a P3, I think is great. It's huge. Which also brings me to a point. We need to talk about the Mercedes engines ruining.
Before we go
things.
there, I just wanted to check on one point.
Haan.
It just came to my mind now. The fact that you said Charles may leave Ferrari. Kimi is an Italian driver. Is there a chance?
No, not right now.
Maybe.
Not right now.
In
Maybe in a
27?
few years.
27. Because an Italian driver would always want to drive.
Kimi to a Ferrari would be sick, huh?
And
You
Lewis
heard it here
Hamilton.
first. You heard it here first.
Yeah.
Shruti chowk gayi. She's like,
And Lewis Hamilton being there. That'll be crazy, dude. Just imagine.
oh yeah, Lewis and Kimi in a Ferrari. Yeah, if Charles leaves, then the next person in a Ferrari could
Could
be
be
Kimi.
Kimi. Yeah.
And Kimi and Lewis together. Oh,
Crazy.
sick ho jayega, sick ho jayega, हाँ. But all in all, I'm very happy for Kimi.
You were
I
going to
think
the
he deserves
engines.
it. I was talking about engines, yeah. What is happening with the Mercedes engines falling off at least once every race?
I think
Last race it was Albon. Before that, twice it was Kimi.
Yeah.
Then again it was one of the Williams. Like, what is going on? Do we know anything about it or?
but speaking about that,
हाँ.
I think Williams, like you always mention, किसी की नजर लग गई है. Because yeah, from the time
मेरे
we've
भी
been
lose
like
यार.
pumping them and pushing them on top, suddenly now it's coming downhill. Alex Albon on the radio was like mental.
Albon
He is
not
wild.
happy.
He was like horror. He's like, why can't you listen to me?
But I think after that, Vowels came for the interview, right? While the race was going on, they were like, he can't see a lot of things that we can see. But to be very honest, James, I don't know what you did after seeing that, because in the end, he couldn't even finish the race. And
Yeah.
Sainz was also not like in P10 only because Lando crashed. Otherwise, you would not be having any points this weekend.
Yeah.
Like, what happened to you guys?
From top of the grade, it was like somewhere like
Yeah,
unseen.
like FP1 mein is were like, I know FP1 is nothing, but whatever. FP1 was like, dude, they were like P2, P3, man. Like my hopes were really high. Like it's tough. It's tough for, I know it's like tougher for them because they are losing money and we're just here like
Yeah.
talking about shit. But still, I just like, what is it? Is it the engine? Is it the strategy? Because Albon has not been happy with the strategy. Science I didn't hear from a lot in
Zero.
yesterday's race. I
Zero.
didn't hear anything from Science. So I don't know. He did gain, I think, 8 or 7 positions.
I don't know where he started, but I think
No,
he's
he
finished
started
in the top.
he started like P15, P16 types. I'm guessing because P17, 18 तो वो सारे थे, Yuki and all of that.
Yuki also
Yuki
drove
was
well,
P19.
in fact.
Yeah, Yuki also did P19 to P12 again. But यार, the thing with Red Bull is जब तुम्हारा teammate is P2, nobody is gonna give you a pat on your back saying, oh, well done being P12.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, if the team should motivate him more or not, but generally, like, even like in the quali, he wasn't like, he ruined his own race. I mean, there's nothing much to say there. So yeah, we need to figure out. I'm gonna do some jasoos panti and figure out what's happening with these Mercedes engines. Remind me, tomorrow once.
Sure.
But yeah, having said that, कुछ है ही नहीं यार. मैं क्या बात करूं?
I think we should do the ratings of our race bit, because I think we are done on the.
Yeah, we're done now. Okay, cool. Oh, you didn't let me finish my rumor chat.
Oh, please, please. I thought you were done with that.
No, एक ही तो था वो rumor यार. मेरे पास बहुत सारे हैं. Oh, this Lando's crying. Debriefing.
Oh.
भाई
He walked straight in, na? He walked straight in. This is that time.
No, this is heading back to the debrief 2 days ago. Oh, this is later. Wait, I will show you something else. क्या कर रही थी मैं? Guys, by the way, if you don't know, I had actually posted a video about all the rumors that you missed. So, just letting you know. मैं बताती हूँ क्या क्या हुए हैं rumors में. Wow, you guys are still liking this reel, huh? Funny.
How much it is? 40K? 30K?
I don't know. We are racing, not texting. Can we please talk about this fucking radio from Alonso? He said, "Nah, we have to be careful in turn 3 and turn 9 or turn 6, whatever." And he was like, "We are racing, not testing." And that's all he said. I was like, "Whoopsie! Don't fuck with him." Wait, I'll show
कभी
you.
कभार देना पड़ता है.
That's what she said. Okay, Russell potential target Aston Martin ही बोल दिया. Verstappen will quit. This was apparently somebody said Verstappen is gonna quit after 2025. This is the ex
Liam. I think
Callum guy, but he said he doesn't know. He's just thinking that, so it doesn't matter. Arvind Lindbergh got his racing license. Good for him.
Wow.
So Red Bull is really preparing for Max's ban. Okay, I have one thing to talk about.
Okay.
Can we please talk about how harami George Russell is for a second?
What did you do?
He brake tested Max just so that Max would overtake him and he would get an extra penalty point, or even when he was winning. Come on, man. Come. You are under a safety car. You are going to finish the race on a safety car. You do not need to pull some shitty things just because the guy next to you should get a penalty point. I think that's fuck all behavior from you.
I just think कि उसको I honestly feel that Max also was moving around left right. He was coming थोड़ा सा आगे थोड़ा सा पीछे.
हाँ.
Russell saw it as an opportunity maybe or
Maybe,
maybe
हाँ.
intentionally whatever, and he said okay
वो
let me try.
opportunity देखी तभी उसने intentionally किया ना वो.
I think
But to
it's-
do that
I
is
think
fuck
it's
all,
a-
man. You're brake testing somebody that can be hazardous for people behind you because
Yeah, but that's the problem. Max wasn't behind. Max was on the left,
अरे but बाकी लोग तो हैं भाई.
which is true.
Like he was going like this and he was going then just went this. Like and then you're crying on the radio saying oh he overtook me. He did. Come on, शर्म कर लो थोड़ी सी. मतलब that's just I have nothing else to add here. I just want
But
to talk about it.
I
And
just
was
think
like,
I
ये
just think
क्या
it didn't
बकवास
become
है?
I just think it didn't become that big because it wasn't
Because
like
Russell did it. Now he also said fuck in a press conference and nobody's
someone else
fucking
also
did
mentioned
anything.
on the
It was
I
me
was
only.
no I was reading it somewhere else
It was- must
on
have been me.
Twitter
I was
wasn't
tweeting.
you wasn't you that if this would have been Max on the opposite side if
Yeah.
he'd break some it would have become like a big
It would have become a big thing had Max said fuck in a press conference. It would have become a big thing. I know Lando is one of my favorite drivers, but there is a British bias here. Like whenever British drivers do something, it's never a penalty. But when somebody else does it, the same thing becomes such a big penalty.
Yeah.
Like
Also,
how
they-
can you not penalize Russell for saying fuck now? You
there
tell
was
me
a
that.
whole thing that said the British media says the biggest thing of the race was Lando hitting the barrier, not what George Russell did to Max. So
Of course,
yeah,
because
I mean, like,
George ने किया है ना. अगर ये Max करता तो सब फिर उसी बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. That's the only difference, and that's not cool. Like if you're giving one driver 12 penalty points, then you should give the other driver at least a warning, if not more. Max got penalty points for swearing. Remember?
yeah,
Why is it George not getting a penalty point for swearing?
I think
Why
now,
aren't so
I
many
think, I
drivers
think
who keep saying fuck and
since then
shit?
they've become lenient, right?
Yeah, because Max got what he wanted. Like Max got what they wanted.
No, but now I think even if Max is a fuck, he won't get
No.
anything else. Like that one more.
मैक्स को बुलवा के दिखा दे अगर नहीं
मैं
नहीं
अभी
बना
थोड़ी ना
उसका
उसको message करके
मैं कह रही
बोलूँगा
हूँ, अगर बात का पतंगर नहीं बनाना तो मैं नाम बदल दियो बिकॉज वेन एवर मैक्स डज समथिंग इट्स सीन अंडर सच अ बिग मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास फॉर सम रीजन एंड व्हेन समबडी एल्स डज द सेम थिंग nobody bats an eye and that's unfair. That is why I'm so pissed as a Max fan. Like think about it.
That's why
had
wearing the
Max
Ferrari
done enough
jacket
had
today.
Max done the same thing that George did, would we have not been like, would that not be on your notes today? Be honest.
Would have. Like it still would have been on my notes right now. Also, it was, but
Yeah,
it wasn't.
But
a big
it was
thing.
the first thing that was on your notes, right?
Yeah.
But when Max का issue हुआ था, that was the first thing on our notes. That is what we're gonna talk about.
Hmm.
Why?
Because that's
Isn't this
Max.
unfair? Yeah, like Max can just sell newspapers better than George, and
And our
that's the
podcast
sad
also.
part. Yeah, and nobody's like our podcast is not selling because you guys don't fucking comment. So yeah. Then
Chacha,
people are-
we'll do the ratings.
Yeah. Okay.
Fun stuff.
Ratings.
Yeah, like how much would you rate this race out of 10?
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Let's do it.
How much do you think I would rate this race
Yeah, I know, I
race
know.
out of 10? Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. First, show what you are rating, and
How like
then-
that?
Yeah, so that I can. How will they know what you were thinking otherwise?
I'll tell now after.
अच्छा, okay, fair. Sorry, मैं भूल गई थोड़ा.
So you will guess how much I'm giving, okay?
Yeah.
I'm guessing how much you're giving. Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
First, you tell what.
First, I'll show them what I think that you will give. Close your eyes.
Okay.
देख लो guys. This is what I think she will rate the race.
Okay.
You show the camera.
Look somewhere else. This is what I think is gonna rate the race. Okay. Yeah.
Done?
Go.
You go now. Every time I go first. Yeah, this is not fair.
Okay,
I want to
fine.
know this time.
It's a fuck all race it was, okay? So I'm gonna give it a 2.
ये काफी unfair है यार. This is too unfair. What is
How is this
fucking 2?
unfair?
How can you say 2?
Because the only thing I liked about the race was that crash and there was nothing else that
Verstappen
happened.
came second.
So-
He's your
Arey,
one of your
but
favorite
I am-
drivers.
I'm not seeing race results. I'm seeing how was the race, and the race was boring.
So boring that you're giving it 2.
Yeah.
इससे boring तो there
Yeah.
was Monaco.
नहीं bro. Monaco still fine. At
There
least
was
कुछ तो
nothing
सोच
there.
रहे थे हम. Okay. How much would you rate the race?
I think I would give it a. First, I'll tell you how much I gave you.
Oh yeah, how much would you think?
I gave you 4.5.
Oh, close. Shit, it's fine.
Good enough. But I would give the race 4.5. That's why I thought like maybe. How much did
We're
you
not
give me?
allowed to give 0.5s and shit, man.
We are.
It's
Why
this
not?
game.
Why not?
No, then it's the fucking probability of 20 numbers,
Arey,
man.
4.5. In the past,
Either
I've
give
said
4 or
7.
5.
In the past, we did 7.5. It was on my notes. Yeah!
But I'm closer than you. So fuck you.
But you didn't win.
Fuck you.
Woohoo!
I've never seen this guy so happy with losing. You're like, yeah, मैं नहीं जीता और तू भी नहीं जीता. वो ना 3 Idiots का वो लाइन याद आ गई मुझे ना, लाइक सब एक लाइफ में एक बार तो तब बुरा लगता है जब तुम फेल होते हो, उससे बुरा तब लगता है जब तुम्हारा फ्रेंड टॉप कर रहा होता है. This is what this is. But yeah, okay. Predictions.
Next week.
Austria
next to
predictions.
next, na?
Austria predictions.
I think you will come for this podcast again with this jacket.
Fair enough. Okay.
Because,
Ferrari's gonna fuck up again.
No, probably they'll be in the top 3.
That's what I do when that's what I do when they
This
lose.
is the first time you wore it.
Yeah,
You
because-
can't say that's what you do. This is the first time you did it.
Yeah, because I can't keep wearing it for everything. Like, because Ferrari keeps fucking up every race, so I can't do
We'll
this
see.
every race.
We'll see. We'll see.
Okay. Give your prediction.
Let's
Who's gonna
see.
win?
You know what? I think Nico is kind of has started to do well
Okay.
from the time we said he'll finish in the top 8.
You said yeah.
I think I'd continue to say that maybe he'll finish in the top 8 again for this
Okay.
one, Austria.
For
At least.
Austria. Okay.
Top 8, Nico, you give one.
Hajar top 10.
Haja top 10.
Now I'll give one, then you give one. Who wins for me this race? It's Austria, man. It's Red Bull Ring. It has to be Max Verstappen. I'm a Delulu. Because I'm wearing a Ferrari jacket, I'm going to take the Delulu-ness from them and be like, Max
I
wins.
somehow think like Red Bull will have some problem and Max won't make it in the top 3. It may be their circuit, but
यार ऑस्ट्रिया तो मैं किसी और को नहीं देना चाहती यार. मतलब आई इन माई हार्ट आई नो, लाइक मुझे ऐसा भी लग रहा है कि लैंडो जीत सकता है, बट नो आई थिंक मैकलैरन इज गोना कम बैक in Austria. Like it's going to be a double podium for McLaren.
double podium.
Yeah, I'm just being wild right now. Double podium, McLaren double podium in Austria.
I think Williams back in top 5. I think I'm rooting for Williams coming back.
Okay, like can I say single podium instead of double podium? Because double podium and Max, then it's like I have
You can
given
say
my
now.
top 3.
We'll select the line which you want.
Asshole. Edit on that one. I will say at least one of the McLarens ends up in the top 3. I think it's very easy prediction, but okay, you know what? We should name. We can't just be this vague about things. I will be better.
हमने तो name किया भाई.
हाँ मैंने नहीं किया. That's what I'm like. I don't want to be this vague bitch. Max wins. मेरा पता नहीं. Every time I say Max wins, I see Piastri in my head, and I'm like, Piastri is gonna win.
Yeah, he is.
Max definitely on the podium. Max and Piastri on the podium for sure. That's how I'm gonna put it.
Max and
Max and Piastri on the podium. Red Bull Ring.
we'll take your cut for one when Piastri is there, and when Max is out of the podium, that time they'll take my cut.
Yeah, we can do that. Whatever works. And then last prediction.
I gave 3, 4 now.
How?
Uh,
Nico top 8.
hmm.
Who else?
Then I said about
Williams top 5.
Williams top 5. One more I said Max out of top 3.
हाँ. Fourth
And
क्या?
one more was कोई तो था ना यार.
नहीं यही था. मुझे चौथा नहीं याद. तो मैं अपना बताती हूँ.
Someone I said will not finish. No?
Max podium. Max not finish.
नहीं,
Max and Oscar podium. Hajar top 10. I will give my third then. Wait.
You gave 3, I think.
How? Max Oscar podium. Oh, are you counting this as 2?
No, Max Oscar podium, Haja, and
Hajar.
something you said in the
No,
start.
first I said Max podium and then I said Oscar podium. So
You
now
said
I'm making
McLaren 1-2. And
No,
then
वो
you
हटा
changed to-
दिया.
अच्छा,
हटा
हटा
दिया
दिया.
मैंने. नया. My predictions for Austria. My prediction for Austria. Max and Oscar on the podium. Hajar top 10. And my random ass prediction. Cola Pinto will outperform Gasly. Very random prediction.
I'll just finish on that.
What?
Kimi Antonelli podium once again.
4 4 दे फिर 4 देना
मैं दे रहा हूँ
पड़ेगा।
4 तो 3 दे देना. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैचिंग करना है. I just feel Kimi Antonelli will
Feel you
finish
out.
again on the podium, and then maybe we can do that.
So according to your podium, the only person you think will be on the podium right now is Kimi. You haven't named any other podium.
Because I know McLaren will be there. That's an obvious. I want to predict something that is not an obvious.
Oh yeah, sure. And Williams being top 5 is definitely not obvious. I agree with that. No, I'm not being sarcastic. I actually agree with that. That's a good one. That was a good one. अब मुझे बुरा लग रहा है अपने प्रोडिक्शन.
नहीं अभी तो चेंज नहीं कर सकती है.
बट ठीक है, हो गया मेरा. हैजार टॉप 10, लैंडो ऑस्कर पोडियम, and what was the third one?
वो
that
थक
I
जाएगा.
said?
एडिटर तो रिपीट
What
कर
was
रही
the
है.
third one that I said? I
He'll
forgot.
figure it out.
What was the third one I said? I want to remember यार. तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है ये. क्या था थर्ड वाला? हाँ, Colapinto will outperform Pierre Gasly. That's ये बिल्कुल गलत होने वाला है. बहुत मजा आने वाला है अगली बार एडिट में, because the last two is gonna be so wrong. But yeah, that's I think that's pretty much it. मतलब इतने boring रेस के लिए तुम्हें इतना ही मिलेगा.
On that note, guys, because this race was boring and last race weekend we didn't have anything, we did a very fun episode of playing games, right? And we had points also for the two of us. Sadly, I lost in one of them, and she's won by a huge margin, which is like 10.
That's like I just Max Verstappen out of him. That's it.
But irrespective, just for fun, just go and watch that. And you know, maybe there are a few revelations that we've done, a
Yeah.
few
And
takes
I
that
think
we've taken as well.
And I think it's more fun because every week you like whoever comes, you guys come and watch like two random people talking shit. Okay. Like it's only fair that you also get to know who we are a little bit, what our preferences are, so that you can also like relate to us a
Yeah.
little bit more.
Yeah.
And that is one of the main reasons why we did that episode, so that you know you can see what we think about and you can shout
Yeah.
at us without as like yeah, you can do that. Like
Yeah,
I will
and
also shout back.
also you can come at us in the comments. There's no problem. We just want you guys to know
I will
that
come back at you.
it is a safe. It's a safe space for everyone, even if it's a DTS fan, not a DTS fan. See, it doesn't matter, right? I think DTS is a great platform for F1 to get more fans to come and watch the sport.
Otherwise, nobody was doing Formula One. Like
yeah, so
Formula
I
One was
mean,
not as popular.
even coming and like going and commenting and saying that okay, you're a DTS fan, you're a so and so. I think it's fine, right? At the end of the day, it's good for the sport. It's good for people who watch the sport. So even if they are DTS fans, it doesn't mean that they don't know the sport, right?
Yeah, I've seen like so many
So-
people like commenting on other people's thing that just because you say something that the other person doesn't agree with, they're a DTS fan. I mean, firstly, तुम्हें किसने बनाया F1 पुलिस? तुम्हें सैलरी मिल रही है इसकी? कोई दे रहा है या तुम फ्री में करते हो ये काम? अगर फ्री में करते हो तो करना बंद कर दो, बिकॉज इसका कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला तुम्हें. और अगर तुम फ्री में नहीं करते तो जिसने तुम्हें हायर किया उससे मेरी बात करवा देना एक बार. बिकॉज आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दिस होल आइडिया दैट ओ लाइक आर यू मीनिंग इट as an insult that oh you're a DTS fan, because if I look at the stats, the amount of viewership that has increased in Formula 1 since Drive to Survive has come, and the reason you're seeing your drivers on so many new brands, on so many new things, is because of the popularity of the sport, which has come from Drive to Survive, whether you like it or not. So if you are getting the perks of you know F1 being so globalized, then you also have to sit with the fact that it is what it is. And I don't think being a like I will speak for myself, like I used to get very pissed off when somebody called me a Drive to Survive fan, because I just somehow intertwined it with somebody who doesn't know the sport, which is not true. Like how you got into a sport has nothing to do with, like, have you ever laughed at a cricket fan saying oh tu to T20 ka fan hai? Does that make sense in your head? It doesn't.
Yeah.
Because like how you got into sport has nothing to do with anything.
Yeah, what we're trying to say is it's basically a safe
It's not just
space.
for us. Sorry,
Yeah.
it's not just for us. It's for
Yeah.
anytime you comment. It's just so like it's dumb.
Like you can share your perspectives and we'd love to hear what you have to say about the things that you agree with us or disagree with us.
Yeah.
It's great. I mean, there can be 10 different perspectives. Like 10 people can
Opinions,
like
yeah.
Mika, 10 people may not like her, 10 people can like me, 10 people may not like me, which is fair. I think we can't please everyone.
We don't
But
wanna.
it's just that it's great if we can see more views rather than just coming at us.
Yeah, we would love to hear like what made like at the end of the day we are also sitting here giving our opinions. हमारे पास कोई वो नहीं, हमें किसी मतलब I didn't have a chat with Max Verstappen on the call before coming here and they're like oh you know what Max told me this. Of course not. We are sitting here and we are explaining our views, and the moment you have an opinion, it's only fair for somebody to have the opposite opinion. It has nothing to do. So we would love for you to tell us what your opinion is rather than be like, oh, you're a DTS fan. Why मैं शंबे माँ की fan हूँ, अब मैं क्या करूँ? इसका मेरे
Who is
उसका
Shambe Ma? I'm so
जो भी
sorry.
है, it's a random thing I named.
Oh, okay,
Like इसका इससे क्या relation है कि मैं इंसान कौन हूँ? That has no, like if you have an opinion, please share it with us. We would love to understand it. But at the same time, don't be like, oh, DTS fan. तुझे क्या पता भाई? तू पुलिस है. But just putting it out there, just
Yeah,
letting you
just
know.
don't forget to like, share, comment.
After
Come-
this, then definitely gonna do that.
Come
But
and if you go to our page, The Sports Brew, please make sure that you even look at some of the past episodes that we've done, specifically the fun episode that we did. I think that is one of
it's actually a
the
fun
most,
episode.
yeah,
You should go
most
check
most
it
fun
out,
episodes
guys.
that we've done.
Yeah.
And every weekend we try and put a lot of heart and soul into this in terms of watching the race, trying to see what is it that we can bring for you, what is it that we can discuss, maybe in a very different perspective, right? So yeah, we take a time out, we come here, and you may not enjoy it right now, but eventually if you
But
stick
you know
around,
what?
get to know us more.
Yeah, I mean, if even if you're hating, it's okay. Just give us a reason. That's it. Like I'm a woman who's talking motorsports. Trust me, I know I'm going to get hit. It doesn't matter, and I'm over it. But just like tell us why, because that's why we are doing it. We are here. I'm like इंग्लिश में बातें करने इसीलिए so that you guys can give us your views and we appreciate everybody else like we appreciate everyone. We appreciate all of you who actually take out time to comment, like, share, talk, whatever. Even if you're commenting DTS things, I don't care. The fact that you've taken out time to comment for us means a lot for us, and you're gonna see a lot more of us. But whether you like it or not, that sounds like a you problem. But we're definitely not gonna stop, and this is just the beginning of it. And we will appreciate if you're here with us from the beginning, because then when we do big things, you can be like, oh, we used to follow them when they had nothing. So just for that, मतलब मैं तुम्हारे लिए बोल रही हूँ, मेरा तो कुछ नहीं है, मजाक कर रही हूँ. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Just go, like, share, comment, do whatever you do. We appreciate you all regardless, and stop calling people DTS fans because it's rude. Okay, see you. Bye. Love you.
Cute one, guys. Fuck my leg.